this is a cap press. And sometimes when you switch on, you're gonna facing a problem. This machine is lowest 200. Okay, actually now we switch on earlier. It's very hot now. But anyway, if you wanna press setting, the lowest temperature is 200. You can no matter what, you cannot lower. Okay, it's simply because it's on Fahrenheit. What you do is you press left and the right key same time. This must be open now. If closed, a different story. You press same time for 5 seconds. Okay. So you have some system settings. This one don't change. FC is F. You change to C. Then this one also don't change. Okay. Now you can see temperature dramatically dropped because now this is Celsius. Okay. Now it's feels more like it. Then of course then you can change. 93 Celsius is 200 Fahrenheit. Then you can increase whatever temperature you want. Okay, and the time. Thank you.